Welcome to Bigfoot Garage Cabinets. In this short 2-minute video, I'm going to show you the 2 different style cabinets that we offer for flat pack, ship to your door, easy to assemble cabinets. So let's get started. Take a look at our classic original white Bigfoot garage cabinets. Here's the same cabinets in gray. Now Nico just finished up on a 12-foot long cabinet, and here's him putting a frame up. Here's the crate shipped to the house, and now the crate's opened. Now in this video we're going to actually stick an 8-foot section together. Keep in mind, inside the website we have a slower paced video that shows all the tools and hardware that go along with doing this job. Now we're into our European style cabinets. Here's a whole garage full of European style. There's a 12-foot wall of the cabinet. Here's the cabinet with just a skeleton frame. Now, Nico's going to throw together a quick box so that we can see how this product goes together. Keep in mind this is a short video, and both these products have full-length videos, 14, 12-minute videos on their pages. Plus, there's a bunch of other stuff in the video section of the website. Well, you've seen both of our products, and you may be thinking to yourself, I want to do this. If you are, let's get started. And the way you start out is either by filling out the form online, which will set up a calendar that we can meet with a predetermined time with you, or you can just give us a call Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific time till 6 p.m. Pacific time, and we'll have somebody in the office to help you.